Hey guys, in today's video I will be reviewing the teeth whitening. It's 100% natural activated organic charcoal, which is a teeth whitener. This product can be found on Amazon for around $9. I will be testing this product to see if it actually works. For the past 30 something years I have only used toothpaste and toothbrush, according to what I can remember, to clean my teeth, and this is what my teeth actually looks like. So what I'll be doing is using this teeth whitening to brush my teeth 2 to 3 times daily along with regular toothpaste to see if it actually works. So first what I'll do is use Colgate Triple Action toothpaste, not sponsored by them by the way, on my toothbrush, and I'll just brush regularly as I would. And then after that I will use the teeth whitening to brush after. Alright, so I have brushed my teeth and I'm about to use the teeth whitening to brush my teeth like normal as well. This is what it looks like. It's like black powder. I don't know if you can see it well. I don't want to spill it. So what I've done is to dip my toothbrush in water or run it under the tap to get it moist, and I'm going to be dipping it in the charcoal. So this is what I came up with, and I'm going to be brushing my teeth just like I'm using toothpaste. Alright, so I've just finished brushing my teeth with the activated charcoal, which is 100% natural teeth whitening. And this is what my teeth looks like after the first brush. I know you might not see any results. I don't expect results to be popping up right away, but I will be brushing my teeth for the next 7 days to 14 days to see actual results. So I will end this first half of the video here and then come back to you in the next 1 week and then 14 days to show you what results I've gotten using this teeth whitening. So see you soon. Hey guys, so I'm back with the 1 week update just to show you how white my teeth are, or the progress that has been made using this teeth whitening charcoal powder. I must say that it is working for me. Take a look. So far, I do think that this product is actually working, because 7 days ago when I started using this product, it was not all that white according to what I am seeing and the results that it has given me. So I'm going to come back to you in another 7 days time to do a 2-week review on how this teeth whitening is actually working. Alright, so I have finished my 2 weeks usage of this product, which is the teeth whitening 100% activated charcoal. So I'm going to tell you what I have been doing for the past 2 weeks. For the past 2 weeks I have been brushing my teeth every day, 2 to 3 times per day. I started brushing my teeth with toothbrush and toothpaste, and then after I started brushing with the activated charcoal first, then toothpaste and toothbrush to clean my teeth of the activated charcoal. So this is what my teeth actually looks like after 2 weeks of using this product. I must say that this product actually works, and I do recommend getting it again for myself, and I would recommend you try to get it as well if you'd like to whiten your teeth. It's not expensive. It's only $10 on Amazon, as stated before. If you'd like to try this product, link is in the description below. I am not sponsored by them, This is my honest review, and I must say this product is actually working. If I do decide to try another product for teeth whitening, I will make a video as well, and I will share it on my YouTube channel. So what you can do is hit the subscribe button so you can get notified of a video that I will be posting in the future. So thank you for watching, and please leave a comment below of if you have used this product before, or if you have used any other teeth whitening product. See you soon.